Hi, my name is Stephen Payne, and this is my final project, the JMDB, or Japanese Music Database. So this site is a Japanese music database, meaning it stores information about Japanese albums and their artists, as well as having integration to Rakuten, which is an auction service. This allows album collectors like myself to be able to quickly browse multiple auction sites. For the sake of the project, I was only able to get one of these implemented due to various API limitations and pricing limitations, but it still functions. So we will go ahead and move into the view of the site. If you click on sign in with Google API, it'll bring you to the Google API sign in. You can use any Google account because it will auto-generate the account for you upon login if you do not have one. So this is the main screen. There are various things here. This auction sidebar over here actually gives you auction results using Rakuten's API for the top item in your wish list. The My Albums shows a preview of the albums in your collection, and the wish list shows the preview of the wish list, or the albums in your wish list. If we wanted to edit our profile, say we wanted to change our name to Sudidamas, or if we wanted to update our profile picture, we could copy and paste a picture here, or the link to a picture here. We can press submit, and we can see that the info actually updates. Let's say that we want to go check out an album. We can go to Animal Effect. For example, this is the album page. Down here, you have a description for the album. This one happens to be in Japanese. But you can actually add and remove things from your collection / wish list. So say we wanted to get rid of this album from our wish list. As you can see here, it is a part of our wish list on the main profile screen. But if we want to go back and remove it and click on remove, we can see that it's no longer there. Other features on this page include being able to automatically click on search via Rakuten's API. So if you click on that shop button, it will search the auction site Rakuten for the album that shop button is correlated to. So here, if we ended up clicking on one of these results, we can get brought to a page where we can actually purchase the album. Let's say we want to go to Unchained's artist page. If we go to their artist page, we can see, in addition to a shop button, there's actually an audio preview here for a track from their Spotify. So if you import certain artists from Spotify, or if you import any artist from Spotify, it will automatically retrieve, the site will automatically retrieve a preview URL. So if we press this play button, you can see that the audio plays. I can't play for too long for copyright reasons. Let's say that we wanted to add an album, for example. If we go to Spotify and say we go to this album here, right? We can actually add an album simply by copying the link from Spotify, going back to the page, and importing it into this Spotify link section. If we click on the import from Spotify button, it will auto-populate the data in the form, which allows you to then just go ahead and submit. Let's say that we wanted to go ahead and submit. You can see that the page automatically updates, or it creates a page for the particular album. Now let's say that the album information that we input is incomplete. For example, we didn't actually input any description here. Kaeri no Kai. Okay. So let's say that we wanted to submit a description for this particular album. If we press submit, we can see that it actually updates. Finally, if we wanted to delete an album, if we go to the edit page and click on the delete button, it will go ahead and bring us back to the browse page where we can see that this album is no longer in our directory. Furthermore, if we wanted to search albums that are kind of already in the directory, we can actually search them by name and artist. So the artist name will query for artists of the exact same name. The title will query for tags. So if we click search for Otogi, we can actually get the search result back. And then obviously we can go to maybe like Eve's page. He has a preview here for Kaikai Kitan. So that is a preview of my app. I hope that you all enjoy using it, and thank you for watching.